Six Nate just straight cooked the motherfucker.
So it's funny today that I get to drop my '05 Mustang off to get these 14 gears in, man. I've been waiting about 2 weeks and a half. You know, people are taking vacations and this whole COVID thing got people on a special distance, so I'm not even tripping. So today is what's today? The 5th, and I dropped it off here to, you know, A+ transmission specialist. It cost me a little pretty penny to put them in there, but man, this is gonna make up for everything, because the difference, the launch difference, because you know 3 valves is famous for having no lowering torque off the line, and this is gonna give me, you know, quite a bit of advantage. So I'm pretty excited to see how it's gonna feel, because I've been watching a lot of videos and they've been telling me that the 14 gears makes it super different. So I can't wait to test it out for myself. But here's the car. So yeah, they said about a day and a half, depending if they can squeeze it into today. So I'm hoping for the best, but at least I'll know tomorrow morning I'll have my car back. So yeah, I will get back to you then when everything is installed. So excuses light, but I am back in my beautiful, beautiful car. He called me right before they closed and I was getting off of work, so this is perfect timing. So I'm just uploading this new tune with the 14 gears so it can recalibrate my speedometer. He said the braking pair is around 500 miles, so I gotta keep it low key. I can't be stepping on it like that. So after that 500, come back and get this this gear oil changed out. We're gonna be rocking and rolling, man. So stay tuned. All right, so it's been about 2 weeks and a half, but I got the 500 mile and some change, you know, done with the car. And she's ready to go. So all I gotta do is come up in here and pay. Like, get it. So the time has came where I'm selling my Mustang to my homie. Well, I just met him, but I'm gonna call him my homie. And you know, he's gonna take real good care of the car, because I plan on having a bigger dream. Well, not bigger dream, bigger plans. And we should head there later on after this to reveal my new car, the new project, the new idea that's coming. So stay tuned. So the car is gone, sold to a happy new owner that is also a fellow Mustang guy, so I couldn't be more happier. Like I said, he says he has plans for it. He's in, like, you know, a little car dude, so I have full, you know, support in him that he will treat her responsibly and treat her how she's supposed to be treated, man. It's just one more little view. Dang, son, just a little view of my baby. I treat her well, man. She came a long way. A lot of people was like, why'd you do it? Now they're like, don't sell it. So, but once again, I got to start the process over again. So let's get it. All right, so the car's gone. I sold it to this young man right here.
Yo. He got it running and everything. Everything was good. Like that. Jeez.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.